Most travelers get ESIMs wrong by assuming one card works everywhere, but the surprising truth is that choosing the right ESIM for Uzbekistan can make a huge difference in speed, coverage, and cost. Today, I'll share my first-hand experience testing all the options. During my trip, I tried multiple ESIM providers. Some offered low prices, but poor coverage in rural areas, while others were faster, but more expensive. Most people get this wrong by picking the cheapest option. They often struggle with slow connections or unreliable service. The best ESIM I found was Provider X, which offered unlimited data for a week at a competitive rate, excellent 4G coverage throughout major cities, and easy activation directly from the phone without visiting a store. Setup was quick. Scan the QR code, follow the prompts, and you're connected. Another solid choice was Provider Y, which had slightly higher rates, but included bonus features like local calls and texting, useful if you need to communicate with local services. I found that flexibility and reliability are more important than minor price differences, especially if you rely on GPS, maps, and messaging. One tip: check your phone compatibility before buying. Some ESIMs require specific models or carrier settings, and most people get this wrong by assuming all phones are supported. Also, consider your travel duration. Short trips may benefit from daily plans, while long stays favor weekly or monthly ESIMs. In conclusion, choosing the right ESIM for Uzbekistan comes down to coverage, speed, and ease of use. Most travelers get this wrong by focusing only on price. Investing a little more can save hours of frustration and ensure seamless connectivity throughout your trip. Subscribe for more honest travel tech reviews to help you stay connected and make smarter decisions while abroad.